Motherboard. The motherboard is a large, flat circuit board that acts as the central hub of the computer. All other components connect to it, allowing them to interact with one another. While it is relatively inexpensive compared to other parts, it's considered the most critical component, often referred to as the computer's heart. CPU. The CPU, also known as the central processing unit or simply the processor, serves as the computer's brain. It handles various tasks, such as performing complex calculations and processing large sets of information. Although it doesn't store much data, nearly every operation the computer performs passes through the CPU. Hard drive. Your hard drive is where all of your files, programs, and data are stored. When you're low on space, it means your hard drive is nearing its capacity. While great for storing large amounts of data, hard drives can be slow, especially since many rely on spinning disks and transfer data through thin cables. This can slow down communication with the CPU, which is why RAM is often used to bridge the gap. RAM. RAM is a type of memory similar to the hard drive, but much faster, although it offers less storage space. It allows quick access to information that would take longer for the hard drive to retrieve. For example, when you see a loading screen in a video game, the CPU is moving necessary data from the hard drive to the RAM for faster access during gameplay. Keep in mind, however, that RAM doesn't store data permanently. Everything is erased once the computer is turned off. SSD. The solid-state drive, SSD, functions like a hard drive but offers faster speeds and greater durability. It's a newer technology and can be used either alongside a hard drive or on its own. However, SSDs are generally more expensive. Graphics card. When your computer processes complex 3D environments, it relies on the graphics card to display those worlds on the screen. The graphics card functions almost like a separate computer dedicated solely to controlling what you see, determining which pixels should appear and in what colors. Some CPUs come with built-in graphics capabilities, but these are usually less powerful than standalone graphics cards. Power supply. As the name suggests, the power supply provides the computer with the necessary electricity to function. It pulls power from the outlet and distributes it to the various components, ensuring they have enough energy to run. Case. The case is simply the box that holds all of the computer's components. It comes in various sizes such as mini, mid, or full tower, depending on the size of the hardware. Choosing the right case should come after determining the dimensions of your other components to ensure everything fits. Cooling system. Certain parts of the computer, like the CPU and graphics card, generate a lot of heat. Without a cooling system, they could overheat and damage themselves or other parts. Computers can use either air or liquid cooling, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Wireless card. If your computer connects to the internet via Wi-Fi instead of an Ethernet cable, it uses a wireless card to access the network.